In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $15,250 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Facebook. I will share with you guys a new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Facebook if you want to earn some commission, and of course just using free traffic without investing any money. Okay, I made this commission just in 1 month, okay, from the first day of March. Okay, let's select this, and until today it's the last day, 31 March. Okay, I will click on update, and here you go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. This is my affiliate link, this is my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, it's not a screenshot like other people's are showing you. I made this commission, but who share dashboard account like this? Okay, so anyways, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote. Okay, they are really paying a good commission, guys. Okay, you can earn a lot of money with Fiverr affiliate marketing business. Okay, it's the best and the profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start. Okay, it's profitable. So just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Okay, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. So for me, I will choose no. So choose your country, okay, and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so for people who are asking always in the comments why it's showing zero in your impression and in your CTR, I will explain this. Okay, so when you will sign up to Fiverr affiliate program over here, they will ask you, do you have a main source of traffic? If you say yes, you need to put your website link here. Okay, and if you put your website link here, then Fiverr will track your impression and your CTR, and you will start seeing numbers of your impressions here and in your CTR here. So I hope this is clear. Okay, because I always get a lot of comment like this: oh, it's not fake, it's fake, why it's showing zero in your impression? Anyway, so for me over here, they asked me, do you have main source of traffic? I choose no because I don't have any website. Okay, anyways, after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable service that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. Okay, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable services. So just go back to your home page on Fiverr like this. Okay, and search for this service, search for YouTube promotion. Okay, search for YouTube promotion like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good seller. So people who will click on your affiliate link, if they find this seller is good seller, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. So how you can choose good sellers? Choose like top rated seller, level 2 seller, level 1 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, like this one is top rated seller. I will choose, for example, this one. Just click on his service. Okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this, okay, this seller profile page on Fiverr. So what you will do next, you will copy his profile link, okay, copy his profile link like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. Let me show you. I will delete this one first. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook. Go to your Facebook homepage, okay? It's really super easy. Just open your Facebook homepage like this and click on the search, okay? Click over here on the search and search for YouTube, okay? Search for YouTube promotion, for example, okay? Search for YouTube promotion like this. Scroll down, click over here on groups, okay, because we need Facebook groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here about YouTube that you need to join, okay, so make sure to join all those groups, okay. After you finish, so let's check, for example, this group over here, YouTube promotion group, and scroll down. Okay, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who will be interested. They are interested to grow their YouTube channels, okay? And they are putting their YouTube channels link and videos link here, okay? As you can see, here is a YouTube video link. And if we scroll down, this one is sharing his YouTube channel. If we scroll down, you can find a lot of people here who will be interested to buy this service, to grow their YouTube channels and grow their YouTube videos, get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels, okay? A lot of people will be interested to buy this service. So what you will do in this group, okay, as you can see, go to the first page, okay, go back over here and click over here on write something. And over here you will create a public post, okay. So what you will do, you will go back to the seller profile page on Fiverr and scroll down, and you should see over here about this gig, okay. So what you will do, you will copy short description here, with over 30 million active users per day, YouTube is not less, okay. This one is really looking good. I will copy just this part like this, copy this description, or you can write your description by yourself if you want. If you want to make it good. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay, and copy your affiliate link from here, okay. So if you don't have this old plan, copy Fiverr Pro new plan, okay. It's almost the same, okay. And go back to Facebook and put this affiliate link here, put your affiliate link here like this, okay, and here you go. So what you will do is just click on post, and your affiliate link will be posted in this group, and people who are interested to grow their YouTube channels and get more subscribers, more views, they will check this service, and if they buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission, okay. And that's it. It's really super easy. So that's how you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and I will answer all your questions, guys, okay.